Investigate and describe that the more mass an object has, the less effect a given force will have on the object's motion. Observe the effect of a force on objects in motion. Before we begin, I'm going to use a digital scale to find the mass of each of the steel spheres. This first sphere is 33 grams. I'm measuring in grams because that's the unit of measure that science uses, the metric system. 65 grams for the next one. You'll notice that each of the spheres gets larger in volume. It also gets larger in mass, 181 grams. Volume is the amount of space that an object takes up. Mass is the amount of matter in an object, 496 grams. And the largest sphere comes in at 1,262 grams. Let's throw the model Jeep on there just to get a comparison of that. The model Jeep is 118 grams. Now that we know the exact mass of each, we can move forward. The purpose of this investigation is to describe that the more mass an object has, the less effect a given force will have on the object's motion. The model Jeep weighs 118 grams. The sphere weighs 33 grams, comes down the ramp, and it pretty much bounces off the Jeep, and the Jeep rolls just a little bit. So for this first trial, the force of the Jeep, the mass of the Jeep, had a pretty large effect on the motion of the small sphere. Now we'll increase the mass of the sphere to 65 grams. Same ramp, same Jeep. You can see that the sphere bounced off the Jeep again, then the Jeep rolled pretty far. What was the effect of the given force on the motion of the sphere? Well, we see the sphere didn't go quite as far as the lightest one did. This is the first sphere that has more mass than the Jeep. This one was 181 grams. And on the first try, it's a miss. Let's move the Jeep over. Jeep only weighs 118 grams. Roll that sphere down the ramp. And notice that the sphere this time kept rolling in kind of the same direction. So the effect of the given force on the motion of the sphere was less this time. As the mass of the spheres increase, the effective force decreases on the motion of the sphere. And look at that one. That sphere, the 496 gram sphere, well, that one just kept going. It rolled right past the Jeep. It pushed the Jeep, but really the Jeep had very little effect on the motion of the sphere. All right, now for the last sphere, the 1,262 gram sphere. Roll that down the ramp. And almost doesn't change the motion of that large sphere at all. So as the mass increases, the effect of the given force is less and less. Let's try that one again. So what we observe is that as the mass of the sphere increases, the effect of the given force bumping into the Jeep has less effect on the larger spheres than it does the smaller one.